choosing an apprenticeship is the best route to take. You get the work experience on site, and then you also get the university experience as well, so it's a win-win.
I chose to do an apprenticeship to get a qualification whilst also learning on the job. That is the best way for me to learn how to do something.
So I decided an apprenticeship rather than university because I really enjoyed business in particular, and I knew that at university I wasn't getting that hands-on experience that I would be whilst doing an apprenticeship. And obviously you're learning, you're getting paid, but also you're learning about the company and you're going around different placements.
I'm a registered nursing associate and I completed my apprenticeship course nearly a year ago through Derby University. So you get experience throughout the community and hospitals, and then obviously earning while you're learning.
I think the qualities that make a good apprentice is just having a completely open mind, just being up for absolutely everything.
Even just applying, sending your CV and talking to new people, having interviews, that's a lot of experience in itself that you should value. So I just think, just get yourself out there, that's probably the biggest thing for me.
So biggest advice now for you all is to start looking into things like future learning courses, which is just little online courses you can do to make yourself stand out. Get involved with sports clubs, get involved in volunteering, part-time jobs, anything like that that is going to make you stand out is your best bet now, because obviously things like degree apprenticeships, they're really competitive.
So my advice to anyone applying to apprenticeship would just be completely open-minded and just be yourself. I think you can't pretend to be someone that you're not. I think look at your best qualities and see if the company that you're applying for is the best fit for you.